course, you know what this is. Once upon the planet Earth, lived a man of noble birth, preaching love and freedom for his fellow man. With his Bible by his side, from his foes he wouldn't hide. It's hard to think that this great man is dead. Turn the other cheek, he'd plead. Love thy neighbor was his creed. Pain, humiliation, and death he did not dread. Told you always, with that Bible by his side, from his enemies he wouldn't hide. He said, come on, get me if you got the guts. Why now? Tell me why is Martin Luther King dead? He had seen mountain top, and he knew he could not stop. Always living with a dread of death ahead. Will my country, will all these countries ever learn? Must we kill at every turn? It's still hard to think that this great man is dead. He was here among you, and he's still here. So I ask myself, will the murders ever cease? What are you? Are you men? Are you pigs? And are you beasts? What do people think they have to gain my own country stand or fall? Or is it too late for us all? I hope not. Did that great man, Dr. Martin Luther King, just die in vain? He was not a violent man. Tell me, people, if you can. Just why was he shot down? Shot down just the other day. Are we on the road? On the road to hell? Does it matter? Maybe it's all just as well. If good don't come alive soon, and love don't start to come alive soon, evil is gonna have its day. Cause he had seen mountains high, and he knew that he could not stop. Always living with a dread of never had. Oh Lord, will we ever learn? Must we kill in every time? It's a shame now, but another time has come now. That era is over and over, because the King of Love